Hi, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies in the government colleges, and this notification is issued by one of the state university commission. Here the total 4,638 vacancies are there and among the 52 departments, and all these are the permanent or the regular jobs, so don't miss this opportunity guys. And before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as immediate notifications to your mobile phones. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Bihar State University Service Commission. Important notice regarding the regular appointment on the post of the assistant professor. So here the few details whatever are there in this PDF I'm going to provide you right now, and the in detail notification that I will come with the next video guys. Okay, so the online application in prescribed format uploaded on commission website are invited till 5 p.m. of 2nd November 2020 from eligible Indian citizens only for regular appointment on the vacant positions of assistant professor in different universities of Bihar on the basis of requisition received from the Education Department, Government of Bihar. To enable candidates to fill the online application form conveniently and without any error, advertisement notice or details or information and the detailed guidelines are uploaded on the Bihar State University Service Commission. So it is a website. Before initiating the process of filling the online application form, candidates must carefully go through the detailed advertisement and the necessary guidelines for filling the online application form available on the Commission's website. And the vacancies for the post of assistant professor are available in the following subjects. So the total 52 subjects are there. So that those are Arabic, English. You can see here the number of posts also. In Arabic, English, Urdu, Persian, Maithili, Sanskrit, Hindi, history, ancient Indian history, and home science, personal management, geography, political science, economics, philosophy, psychology, sociology, public administration, Ambedkar thought, and Darshan, Puran, Dharma Shastra, Karmakand, Jyotish, Vyakaran, Sahitya, Commerce, Environmental Science, Bangla, Music, Zoology, Mathematics, Botany, Chemistry, Physics, Rural Economics, Anthropology, Geology, Gandhian Thought, Law, Angika, Statistics, Education, Biochemistry, Rural Study, Electronics, Pali, Prakrit, Nepali, Russian, Bhojpuri, Journalism and Mass Communication. So these are the total 52 departments are there, and thus from among these 52 departments, the 4,638 number of vacancies are announced from this Bihar State Government Service Commission. Okay, and the date of starting registration is from 23rd September 2020, and the last date for filling of online application form is 2nd November 2020, and the last date for receiving in the commission office the downloaded hard copy of the online application form along with the self-attested Xerox copies of all required documents, certificates or degrees through the registered post or speed post only 24 November 2020. Okay guys, so it is the notification. And coming to the assistant professor vacancies, the post graduation plus UG Senate or the PhD must be required. Anyhow, for the detailed qualification and the age limit, all these things, I will come with the next video, guys. So please subscribe the channel to get the more updates from my side. And after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Then you are going to get the all my updates as immediate notifications to your devices. Thank you. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, so please follow this the next announcement, guys. Hi, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. So before going into the main content of the video, here one announcement to the NTA UGC NET exam aspirants, and if you are not belonging to this category, then you may skip this announcement. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, then the free live classes are providing in the Unacademy platform. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, the commerce, computer science, education, history, English, Hindi, geography, economics, labor, welfare, psychology, home science, environmental science, electronic science, philosophy, public administration, law, management, political science, and sociology. And including this one, the general paper that is teaching and research aptitude. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, you are going to get the free live classes in the Unacademy platform. So to avail this one, you have to install the Unacademy learning app that I am providing the link in the description box of this video. And also along with that link, I am providing my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video, and the subscription also. So here the free classes and the paid classes, both these two are provided by the Unacademy. So the free classes you can able to access freely, provided by the educator regarding to particular subject. And if you want to take the plus course, the plus course means the complete syllabus of your subject is going to be covered clearly with live classes, and your doubts will be cleared in the doubt clarifying session. And here these are the different subscription plans are provided for the plus classes: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and the 24 months. So out of these plans, you may take any one of the plan based upon your requirement. And if you are using this code Ashwini K, then you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans.